Hey guys, Drew here from Colton RV and Marine, and today I'm going to show you the differences between being on shore power, being on a generator, and using your inverter. Today we're in a Wayfarer, so it's going to be a little bit different based on your coach, but this will give you a general idea on how that works. Right now we're going to be on shore power, so we're plugged into that power pole. We'll have all of our systems working in here. Our plugs, our microwaves, TVs, our AC units, all powered just straight from the shore power. But in certain scenarios, you don't have shore power. Certain campsites don't have hookups, so in a unit like this, you'd be using your generator during normal hours. So up here on this unit is your start and stop for the generator. So a lot of them will have a little prime button to prime the fuel into the system, and then a start and stop button. Certain ones will also have a switch where you have to hold the stop button till it lights up. That completes its priming cycle, which allows you to start it. This one, I've started it up today, so we should just be able to hit start here, press and hold, and it's going to boot right up. Now, most RVs and trailers have something called a transfer switch in them. What that does is it dictates where the power is coming from, whether it's coming from the shore power cord or from the generator. Most of the time, the generator will take priority over that shore power cord. So right now we're plugged into shore power and have the generator running, but we are consuming fuel because it is using the generator to power all of our appliances, our fridge, our AC, our microwave, our TVs. Now, there's a lot of times at campsites where you won't be hooked up to power, and certain campsites have quiet times. You can't run your generator all night. So in that case, that's where the third item being an inverter comes into play. So that takes place here. So first I'll shut off the generator. Next, this up here, this is going to be the readout for the inverter on this coach. It's just as simple as pressing the battery button. Then if you select any of these buttons, it'll show you a pass-through on how the power is coming through. Now, the basis of an inverter is gonna take your 12-volt battery power and make it 110 power. So you can use things like plugs. Certain inverters will let you use microwaves. Certain inverters will let you use TVs. It all depends on what inverter that you have and the total wattage on that. Alrighty, now that's the most generalized version of this. Now, certain coaches like this Wayfarer have certain panels and screen systems to them that also allow you to do it from here. So this is the home screen for it. If we go over to power here, there's a nice diagram that shows, hey, we got shore power connected, it's coming through, and it's charging our house battery. From this panel, you can also start the generator. So if we press and hold start here, it'll start up the generator from here instead of the other panel. Now, this one doesn't specifically have a setting to turn your inverter on from here. That one is always done from the panel that we just looked at, but certain systems do have the ability to turn your inverter on and off from these panels. There's lots of different ways to use power, and in certain scenarios, something may be better than others. If you guys have any questions, comment down below, and we'll get back to you on the best answer for your scenario. Thanks, guys. Bye.